Let's test out the new features of the HoverAir X1 PROMAX here. Amazing. After release, they're still releasing more and more features. Now they actually added a CoPilot mode inside the following mode, the side track and the Dolly Track, where you can actually change your settings while you're flying. That's something I really wish to have at the very beginning when I was reviewing this drone, and now they added this after the fact.
This video is sponsored by HoverAir.
As you can see, I have the Hovsco Hovbeta e-bike here with me, and I have the beacon mounted on it. This way you can actually change setting as you go with the CoPilot. CoPilot is on. Great, it actually remembered it from last time. I really am happy about that. Here we go. Wow, it's pretty windy. It is actually an amazing job. Let me show you guys here. It's actually pretty windy here. It's very good balancing job here, the HoverAir X1 PROMAX. Let's start driving here in the new CoPilot mode. I have it now much further away. Maybe you can actually hear me. That would be an amazing thing, because before the noise was pretty noisy, and now with the HoverAir X1 PROMAX further away, it's a great way of actually reducing this noise sound that we have. Right now I have it set much further away, and I can actually, let me get it closer to me here. Let's get it closer here. As you can see, it's coming closer and closer. Let me show you here. So now it's as close as I can get in the following mode here. And then we can actually, while it's flying, I cannot adjust it, but I'm still in the following mode. This way you can actually adjust it while you're flying. And that's the really beauty of this whole thing. I go on this side here, you can see here. And then we can actually go backwards on the other side. And this is all in the following mode. Now goes to the other side. This way you can actually have nice different views wherever you go. You can adjust it. That's something I really wish to have at the very beginning, when I was actually testing out the X1 PROMAX here. I can go higher up now. That's amazing. So the maximum height reached. So let's follow here like this. We can adjust it as we go. Let's try it out. And let's go further away to the back. Let's try the CoPilot on the Dolly Track. I know I'm on an e-bike, but I may be a little bit too fast for Dolly Track, but let's check it out and trying to go slow. I want to see what the CoPilot can do in Dolly Track. And you have to do CoPilot Dolly Track on here. Huh? Okay, let's go here. Huh? Oh, that's closer, too close. Woohoo! Wow! That's amazing. I wish I would have had this before. This is really amazing features you guys added here at HoverAir. I really love that you can actually adjust your settings while you're flying. We have side track on at the moment, and I have the CoPilot with me. Okay, he comes much closer to me here. If I go this one, I can go further out here. I can go up here. Wow, and it's still in side track. A little bit to the side. Wow. And I can go to the other side. And it's still following me. What did you think about the feature upgrade here? The CoPilot? Amazing. After the release, they're still adding more and more features. Not just little one, also big one. New modes and new features like the CoPilot. Amazing. But what could be next? Can they add maybe switching modes from one to the other one? From Dolly Track to side to follow, and vice versa, up and down, backwards, forwards? Wow, that would be really cool. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you next one. Bye for now. Oh, flying, flying, flying!